Must be his impersonation of us being late.
Good evening, Americans. I'd like to thank you all for coming out. I'd like to thank my wife, Michelle, my two daughters, Sasha and Malia. I'd like to get right down to business. Well, if you would wish to keep your existing healthcare plans, you may keep your existing healthcare plans. That is not the matter of importance, ladies and gentlemen. We need to keep watch on what Russia is currently up to, and I think it'll be good for the safety of America.
All right.
I'm now going to do President George W. Bush, or former President George W. Bush. Good evening, Americans. I'd like to thank you all for coming out here. I'd like to make it clear, the United States does not negotiate with terrorists. Thank you. My name is President George W. Bush, and the W in my name stands for America. Next up is Bill Clinton. I did not have sexual relations with that. I can assure you, my fellow Americans, that that is a misunderstanding. If any of you know the Monday night sportscaster, John Gruden, I'll be doing it next. Tell you what, man, a guy like Tom Brady, he's got all the intangibles to be the best quarterback to ever play the game of football, man. The guy's a freaking natural athlete. I just can't say enough about this guy, man. And next up is Winters Mills' very own Coach Pikitaji. Figured I'd go down to heaven, give myself a little state ring. I can't seem to get the job done up here at Winters Mills, so I'm gonna go down there, run some defense, maybe call some offensive plays. Teach those kids how to score a goal or two. Next up is math teacher Ben Brown.
Today we're going to be working on law of cosine, so just get your stuff out and get started on that.
And to top things off, I'm going to finish it up with Mr. Paul Burnside. Alright guys, hate to do it, but I gotta do it. It's time to clean up. That's all. Thank you.
Now let's welcome to stage